Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh calls for second green revolution. Delivering a lecture on the 83rd Foundation Day of Indian Council of Agricultural Research in New Delhi on Saturday, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh urged agricultural scientists for ushering a second green revolution to meet the growing demand of food grains in the coming years.
It should concern us that productivity in Indian agriculture has plateaued over the years. We clearly need a second green revolution that is more broad-based, more inclusive, and more sustainable. We need to produce more without depleting our natural resources any further. And we look forward towards our agricultural scientists for ushering this second green revolution.
On the occasion, Dr. Singh honoured chief ministers and officials from different states for achieving highest total production and production in individual crops during the period of 2010-11. The award carried a trophy, a certificate and a cheque of 20 million rupees and was given to 5 states including Punjab and Uttar Pradesh for achieving high food grain production and 3 other states of Orissa, Assam and Tripura. While congratulating the various states for their performance, Dr. Singh added that more needs to be done to increase agricultural production as the demand for the food grains is going to increase by 2020.
The total demand for food grains is projected to touch 280 million tons by the year 2020-21. Meeting this demand will necessitate a growth rate of nearly 2% per annum in the food production. The enormity of the task ahead is indicated by the fact that during the 10-year period 97-98 to 2006-7, our food grain production grew at an average annual rate of only 1%.
Citing figures, Dr. Singh added that India currently spends about 0.6% of its agricultural GDP on agriculture research and development, and this needs to be enhanced to at least 2 to 3 times by 2020 to enhance application of new technology and new knowledge in the agriculture production processes. Rajkumar Atal with Divya and Sneha for ANI.